Hey everyone, welcome back to Heilz. If you are ready to create a marketplace website that truly stands out, you have come to the right place. Today, we are spotlighting the Heilz WordPress theme and uncovering why it's the ultimate choice for your marketplace site. You can even watch our previous video to know more and more about Heilz. Also, stay tuned till the end because there's a surprise for you at the end of the video. First up, let's talk about design flexibility. Heilz is all about giving you the freedom to create a marketplace that looks and feels exactly how you want it. From vibrant and modern to clean and minimalistic, Heilz offers a range of customization options. You can easily adjust colors, fonts and layouts to perfectly match your brand. Plus, with Elementor integration, building a custom layout is as easy as dragging and dropping. Managing a marketplace can be complex, but Heilz simplifies it with user-friendly management features. With Heilz, you can streamline the entire process. From adding new listings to managing existing ones, Heilz's intuitive interface makes it easy to handle everything. You can manage their own product listings from the front end, freeing up your time and keeping your backend organized. Our team understands the concern of a brand owner. Now, what about search and filtering? Well, Heilz excels here as well. With its advanced search and filtering capabilities, your users can find exactly what they are looking for, whether it's by category, location, price range, or other criteria. Heilz provides powerful filtering options that simply provide a nice user experience and help drive engagement. Heilz works perfectly with WooCommerce and supports popular payment gateways, making it an ideal choice for setting up your online store. It helps you manage your inventory, process payments smoothly, and handle orders and customer interactions with ease. Monetizing your marketplace is also very easy. Heilz has got you covered with flexible monetization options. You can set up vendor commissions, subscription plans, and featured listings all on you. These tools allow you to generate revenue while providing value to your vendors and users. You can charge for listings or offer premium features. Heilz helps you turn your marketplace into a profitable venture. Last, but definitely not the least, we need to talk about SEO and performance. This premium theme is optimized to help your marketplace rank well in search engines and load quickly for a better user experience. With built-in SEO tools and a responsive design, Heilz makes sure that your site not only looks great but performs exceptionally well across all the devices. And that's why Heilz is the perfect choice for your marketplace website. With its design flexibility, easy management, advanced features, and monetization options, Heilz is everything you need to build a successful and engaging marketplace. Now, let me introduce the surprise that we have for you. So, this new year, we are offering a huge 40% off on all advanced WordPress customization and WebView app customization for the first 20 customers, and rest will get a flat 10% off for the same. Hurry up because the slots are getting filled and the time is running out. You can reach us by sending emails to the email IDs provided in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Got any questions about Heilz? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.